do all Filipinos reach out, or do all Filipinos like really look for other Filipinos, or meron namang Filipinos na talagang like I don't want fellow Filipinos. Meron bang ganun? Or probably dun nagsa-start na parang, gusto ko munang mag mag I don't know, mag-isa, tapos eventually I will find my group. Kasi I think that's what happened to me. Parang I have other priorities in life, family, work, blah blah. It's very difficult to diversify your network.
Yes.
So
That
parang
could also,
Tapos
that
I think around this year, ako parang diversify nga.
automatic ba yan sa atin na pagdating mo sa isang foreign land ay naghahanap ka kaagad ng makukumare, makukumarites.
Mm-mm. How about you?
Well,
How
a
did you
little of a
learn?
personal story. Tung dumating ako dito, hindi din yan yung intention ko for well, na-prolong siya. But I intentionally planned na parang, okay, the first 2 years, I'd really focus on learning the language and, really meeting all yung mga, to make friends
May
with
time
the
frame ka talaga,
locals.
girl. You know, like, okay.
Oo, the 2 years, kanya. So, well, aside from the language courses, I was very active with the language exchange. And Bien was really promoting that kasi given a bilingual city siya, di ba? So, ang dami talagang mga events na you can find a partner to exchange, to learn language with. So, yan yung mga kinds of meetings and integrations that I had before. Hindi ako proactively nag-search ng Filipino connection because I know that it would be a very comfortable spot for me na baka maging tamad ako na mag-learn ng language, na makipagkaibigan sa mga locals o sa ibang mga expats dito. So, sabi ko, okay, for this time frame, medyo iiwasan ko yung mga Pilipino talaga. But alam mo, hindi naman iwas na kapag may nakita ako. Exactly, tatago. Hindi naman gano'n.
Pinoy ka, ni hao ma.
Sheshe. Hindi ako talaga nag-search. Pero kapag meron naman, like, may nakilala naman ako, okay lang, welcome, ganyan. But kumbaga, hindi yun yung goal, yung main objective. And then, it was prolonged kasi kagaya nga na sinabi mo kanina, meron kasi mga Pilipino na when they moved abroad, parang hindi natin kasi alam kung ano yung mga situations that they left in the Philippines, di ba? Ano yung situations ng family nila, ano yung needs ng family nila at that time.
Nila.
Yes.
Entirely,
So, exactly. Tapos, when you're far, syempre, para kang nabubuhay sa dalawang bansa, di ba?
yes,
That you have
exactly.
your life here, yet alam mo na meron kang pamilyang iniwanan din sa Pilipinas. So, again, depende nga yan siguro sa responsibilities that a person has back home.
So, gusto ko yung dalawang hinighlight mo. First is your personal timing, right? Ano yung timing na ginawa ko for myself that will work for me? That I would say mga mission natin sa buhay. Like the
Yes, I think
priorities that
so.
we have.
Your priority, yeah.
Priorities natin dito or priorities natin back home or even yung priorities
Or
sa
pareho.
dalawa. From time to time, nagiging competing priorities sila eh. Parang, they want to be number one. Pero most of the time, parang i-adjust mo kung ano ito yung priority today. So,
and as a therapist, you know how draining that could be, di ba? Kung yung energy mo ay na-dedicate na doon sa mga missions mo in life, sabi mo nga, wala ka ng energy left to connect with, alam mo yun, to search for your own connections, di ba?
Yeah, ubus ka na because even like finding a network, that also requires your presence, requires your energy, requires dedication. Sa akin naman, wala akong like, gusto ko sinabi mo like na number 2, priorities. Kasi minention mo yung dalawa. First is yung timeline that you set for yourself. And number 2, yung priorities or mission mo sa phase ng buhay mo, right? Sa phase ng buhay kong yun, yung mission ko when I arrived here is, paano ba mag-build ng pamilya? Paano ba magkapamilya? Kasi single ako, like, until I was like 32. So I don't really know how it is to be in a space na you share it with everyone. Plus the fact na iba-iba pa yung personalities nila, tapos iba-iba pa yung individualities nila, ganun. Anyway, so yung first mission ko talaga is, paano mag-build ng pamilya? paano mag-integrate in a family. So, naging mission ko siya per se in the first, I think, 2, 3 years. And continuing to kasi nag-evolve lahat.
Mm-mm.
Nagsimula ako sa paano magluto.
Mm-mm.
Kasi girl, parang order lang naman ako ng order back home kasi wala kang, I live alone, right?
Oo.
So dito parang magluto.
And working girl, di ba?
And
If you're
yes,
working, yan
as a
talaga yung
working
lifestyle.
person.
Exactly.
So here, parang, oh my God, I need to do all of these things. Kasi as a way to support my husband is also working. So parang number one, magluto, managing
Mm-mm.
the kitchen, yung
Mm-mm.
mga pagkain na dapat niluluto for the kids. Second, trabaho sa bahay, cleaning the
Mm-mm.
apartment. Wala ka namang pwedeng tawagan dito na, uy, or meron, but again,
Meron, but it will cost you.
quite pricey, right? And dapat din, talaga, you also need to learn how to do the basic things of vacuuming. Diyos ko.
Mm-mm.
So, inaral ko in a way na parang kinabisado ko siya. Kasi hindi nag-exist sa atin. Kinabisado ko
Mm-mm.
yun. Doing the laundry. Yung mga mundane things sa feeling ko ginagawa ng mother,
Mm-mm.
aralan ko siya. Tapos on top of that, of course, you get to learn a new language, etc. So,
Language.
yun yung mission ko talaga, like
Mm-mm.
priority ko talaga, like how, like, build this home. Tapos, recently lang din ako nag-open up into, na-build ko na naman siya, okay na
Mm-mm.
rin lahat.
Mm-mm.
Pwede na ako mag-expand.
Yes.
Like I can do things for myself naman. Kaya
Mm-mm.
pumasok din yung sacred space, which
Mm-mm.
is what I really love to do, which is, hold space for people and then eventually meet other Filipinos.
Well, I think it's important to bring this point and thank you for asking that. Kasi 'di ba parang we cannot judge someone who remains aloof, who remains, parang reserved, parang ayan, ayaw naman niyang ayaw
Mm.
naman niya makipagkaibigan. Yung akala mo kung sino nakarating na sa Switzerland, 'di ba? Yung mga ganyan. Yung mga ganyan na hiritan. I mean, we have to respect yung timing ng
Yeah.
bawat isa and the context because for sure, I think pwede nating i-generalize talaga that Filipinos are very sociable and we're all
By
kind of,
design, yun ha. By
yeah, and
design.
very
That's
warm.
possible.
And yun nga, by default, we really seek connection. Pero if there are other priorities in life, mas kailangan nilang i-attend pa. Siguro hindi dun sa family nila dito sa Switzerland. But maybe back home, meron pa silang mga pine-perform, mga finu-fulfill na obligations back home.
Which
Or
majority of
meron,
us do actually have those.
yes, and not necessarily financial, di ba?
Mm.
Pwedeng ikaw yung caregiver ng matanda mong magulang just simply because you call them every day to know how they're doing, to remind them of their
Mm.
medicines and their doctor's appointments. All these have weight, di ba? That you
And
carry.
kasi nakikita ko din to like people that are extroverts really thrive in large groups. Like
Mhm.
they get their source of energy and high that sustains them, allows them to pummel through things. They need a group. Pero
Mhm.
namang iba, like introverts, that are happy, finds their that makes their energy reserve full
Mhm.
kapag kinuhon nila na sila lang. Naghahanap sila
Yeah.
ng activities
Mhm.
that they can do on their own and they're happy with that. So, marami siyang factors na
Yes.
why some Filipinos would probably be easy to, I don't know, to drag in congregations sa
Mm-mm.
makisalimutan. And then others
Madaling hilahin, mga
madaling
kadat
hilahin.
ka rin, di
Others
ba?
din na parang, although kahit nga parang, sad nga siya kasi parang nababrand na kasi na pag Pinoy ka, talagang maghahanap ka ng other Pinoys. But may mga
Mm-mm.
exemptions
Mm-mm.
sa rule na
Exactly.
to, na some people,
Mm-mm.
some Filipinos are happy na sila-sila lang din.
So, I think with that, parang respect lang din sa timing ng bawat isa.
Bakit? Drinag ka na ba? Na hindi ka ready?
Hindi.
Parang ganun yung hugot mo. So, parang,
Oo nga eh.
going back to your point kanina na competing priorities, some Filipinos would love to congregate right away, some would not. Iba-ibang mission natin sa buhay. Mahirap yun dalhin especially with the changing of the season. Kasi
Mm-mm. And then dagdag pa yan.
ang dagdag pa yan. So talagang napapaisip ka na rin na parang, what's wrong with me? Like, ako lang bang
Mm-mm.
ganito? Bakit sila, they're happy to be with each other and they look happy, nagpo-post this to
Mm-mm.
social media, etc. Nafe-feel mo rin yung guilt na, am I not doing enough?
Yeah.
Like, I should be there. But again,
Mm-mm.
as what Jen said,
I'm missing out. Parang ganun,
may
di ba?
FOMO pa yun, di ba? Like, fear of missing out.
Oo,
So,
exactly.
Jen's point before, although tayo mga Pinoy, we're very sociable, we can adapt, pero it's also healthy to understand that we cannot use it as a blanket statement to all
Mm-mm.
Filipinos. May mga Pinoy din na parang gusto nila lang episode sa buhay nila na mag-isa sila today. Tapos, lalabas lang yan kapag feel nila ready na sila. So long as they
Mm-mm.
also get that support na
Mm-mm.
when they're ready to go out, they're
Mm-mm.
welcome. And then they
Yes.
won't be feeling bad about it na
Mhm,
matagal silang
exactly.
nagwala.
And siguro, oo nga, magandang point yan. Kung halimbawa may kakilala kang Pilipino in your area na medyo hindi, I mean, alam mo yun, he or she opens up pero hindi kagaya mo na parang, yun nga, nakikipaghampasan na kaagad. It also won't hurt to check
Yeah.
on our kababayan every now and then, di ba? Kung alam mo how you're doing, kumustahin mo siya, and mag-share ka lang din ng konting updates about you or yung mga opportunities kung saan pwede siya maki-social and kahit walang response, di ba?
Yeah.
Kahit hindi siya sumama o ano, malaking bagay pa din yun.
Kahit ka sometimes like hindi siya sumagot sa text mo. So
Mm-mm.
isipin mo lang, ay probably this person is not yet ready. Probably
Oo,
meron.
lalo na ngayong mga panahon na ito nga, di ba?
Oo, correct na mahirap.
Oo.
So, I think yung sabi gusto lang namin, I think, i-underscore yun na during this time, since mahirap siya for, especially as Filipinos, to adapt. I think for us, na medyo matagal na dito, I think
Mm-mm.
meron na tayong healthier toolkit compared to
Yeah.
our first year, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if you're still finding this shift challenging, I would guarantee that you're not alone. Even yung mga Swiss too, parang this is the time for them na parang ayoko magtrabaho, gusto lang
Mm-mm.
na sa bahay, yung mga ganun-ganong mood. So we're all affected by it, but definitely it's normal. It's just our body trying to make sense of this shift, and then it will bounce back. Naturally, it will bounce back. Kasi alam naman niya kung ano yung gagawin next.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yan.
That's the point. Nice, nice, nice.
Kaya si
So,
anong ganap? Anong ganap, Mars?
ayun,
So, then before
productive.
we end today's episode, ano yung pinakatumatak sa'yo?
Pinakatumata sa
Harutan.
akin. Harutan. Pagkain.
Ay, uy, bawang. Bakit?
Na, I think, well, that Filipinos are really, well, tayo na yung connected even before the connected word has been overly used, di ba? Context natin dito sa Switzerland and from my personal experiences. So dito ko nakita na, well, the Filipinos need connections and that we can sustain good connections. Ito yung smooth personal relationship natin, interpersonal relationship natin, di ba? Pakikisama, and that we can really create a community where every Filipino can feel like they're welcome, they belong, and
Mhm.
it's really what we had back home. We can recreate that in another country with other culture. We can exist side by side with other culture. Yung ganitong klase ng connections, it really warms the heart. It gives you confidence, which you all need para maging successful yung integration mo kung nasa ang bansa ka nun, right?
Yung tumatak sa akin, sa usapang to, no, is, alam naman natin tong lahat na, I guess, but it's good to still talk about it because it serves as a reminder na may iba-iba tayong mission sa buhay. Like Jen's mission and commitment on a daily basis is different from mine. Kumbaga, iba yung kalendaryo niya, iba yung kalendaryo ko. And then um now that I'm thinking about the other Filipinos too, now I'm thinking na parang, o nga no, parang ang hirap na nga mag-schedule ng meet up dito kasi lahat talagang box yung calendar or medyo full na yung calendar. Sometimes magbi-meet na nga tayo sa 2039 yata yung next meet up. But dahil parang puno yung kalendaryo ng majority ng mga tao dito, plus yung mga mission natin sa buhay na dapat natin gawin, sometimes it becomes difficult to widen our networks. And because
Mm-mm.
probably kung ikaw din listening to this, you're not ready yet to widen your network or even to
Mm-mm.
meet other fellow Filipinos, I would say take your time.
Yes, take
Kasi
your
hindi naman siya
time.
karera. So long as for me, I think importante dito, so long as you don't feel isolated,
Mm-hmm.
so long as you don't feel alone, then
Mm-mm.
you're good. But the
Mm-hmm.
moment you feel alone, that's a different conversation. Timing is
And
everything.
maybe just feel free to reach out, 'di ba?
Yeah.
I mean, well, tayo ay magaling kumonekta pero mahiyain din ang Pilipino. We usually do not just initiate things like this.
True.
But yun nga, sabi ni Polly, if your isolation, if the loneliness is already interfering with your daily life, no? Just reach out. Well, Polly is very competent in this area and other Filipinos.
Yeah.
You can just, kung may kapitbahay ka, just say hi and yeah, reach out. And for those na talaga namang hi na, kumbaga talagang happy na, kahit ano pang changes ng season ang mangyari. Every now and then, kumustahin din natin yung mga parang nakikita natin na medyo kung may mga nagwi-withdraw dyan from
Yeah. Which is feeling
kumustahin
naman
din yan.
natin
But
hindi.
do not be too insistent din, di ba? Kasi baka naman mamaya talagang iniiwasan ka na.
Oh my God,
Ayaw na pala talaga.
good.
Kumusta ka? Anyway, so yun.
A great reminder that with the shifting season, our body knows that it needs warmth. And one way that we Filipinos do that is creating warmth with others, with the activities that we know back home, and we try to recreate that here. So, my heart is warm and full after this. So, Jen, thank you for your time.
Thank you, Polly.
And magchichikahan tayo next time dito lang
Ah,
sa
dito lang sa
Hoy!
Hoy! Ano nang ganap?